What is up, friends? If you happen to have a Canon 90D camera or you're thinking to buy one, well, you are lucky because Canon has released a free webcam utility that will solve all your streaming needs and going on live. So I'll show you steps by step on how to download it and use it coming up next. So just go here and download. If you never used it before, so you need to download the software. It's called Canon utility right here. It's right there. Canon has made available version to download for the camera software included. It's that one, so you just look it up. But this is not a Canon website, be careful. This is not a Canon website, no, so that's not the one. So just do Canon USA. So this is the Canon website. I think this is their newest camera that just came out. So here it's gonna look up, if you go down you find it. Let me see, I think you got the products. I just come here and just look it up. It's right, utility right here. See, utility EOS webcam utility. Just hit on that and search it, and comes right away. So I don't really struggle. So now here you have to find your camera that's compatible with, so I'll show you this right here. Okay, yep, that's it. So here you look up your camera. For me, I have a 90D, so I'm just gonna hit this and download it. You see right here, and just download one of these. So for me, I could download the EOS webcam utility and download it. I won't download it again because I already have it. So you see the steps. I'm going back story by story. So you see here, you select the camera that you have. If one of these is your camera, then you download one. Okay, if you have it. And so this is what to select, EOS webcam utility, but I just searched over there, so it came here, top result. So showing results that I searched for. So it's the thing. That's not hard at all, right? So go back, just look up Canon USA, canonUSA.com, and we'll bring you to this page. I'll probably leave a link below in the description below. So you guys if you're struggling, and if you, after you download it, just turn off your computer and bring it back and turn back it on, and then you'll be able, if you go to like Facebook stream, you'll be able to find you find your cameras over there. Let me change the angle of this camera so I can look great. How about that? Okay, if I want to change the angle, if I want to change where to broadcast my live, I can do that just by, this is easy, right? Just hit over there. I already connected everything, so it's super easy. It's gonna go there, select which account I want to Facebook accounts, YouTube accounts that I want to send my live to. So it says go live. I'm on live right now. It's going live on YouTube. But this has to, I've did a lot of already done a lot of work behind the scene. It's going live on, look at that, going live on YouTube. But this has to, I've did a lot of already done a lot of work behind the scene. Alright, if you're interested to see how I set up my options to go live on YouTube and Facebook, because when you open up your Zoom, usually it doesn't show those options. Just click on I'll leave the card on the top, and then there's a YouTube video on the description below. Just check it out. It will show you how to connect to YouTube Live and Facebook Live. It's so simple, guys. It's a quick video, and just check it out. This is super easy, you know. I think this can be done by everybody. Just a camera over there with a USB and connect here. It's super easy. Just connect here so easily, you know. Just use so you just a thumbs up and comment below if you have any question, if you enjoyed this video.